Welcome to the family of Dr.InteriorSpace. Dr.InteriorSpace is known as Dr. Indoor. We are a group of design and engineering experts to provide their professional knowledge and experience to solve the problem in any projects. We has been a leader in the interior design and renovation consulting industry over 30 years. Our extensive experience and knowledge have made us a sought-after expert in the field, with clients ranging from homeowners to businesses to celebrities. Our members received their degree or diploma from a prestigious institute of technology and went on to complete advanced courses in architecture, construction, and project management. This rigorous training gave him the skills and knowledge needed to create truly exceptional spaces. Dr.InteriorSpace's expertise extends far beyond just design. His extensive knowledge of construction and renovation allows him to guide his clients through every aspect of a project, from initial planning to final installation. He has a keen eye for detail and a passion for excellence, ensuring that every project is executed to the highest standard. He is often invited to be a guest on TV and radio programs, where he answers questions and shares insights about interior design and renovation. He has also been featured in numerous publications and online social media platforms, where those seeking the best in design and renovation seek after his expertise. If you are interested in sharing more free information about Dr.InteriorSpace's interior design and renovation experience, or if you have any questions about an upcoming project, please do not hesitate to contact Dr.InteriorSpace. You can ask questions directly or schedule a free consultation at dr.interiorspace@gmail.com. Let Dr.InteriorSpace help you bring your vision to life and create the space of your dreams. Send us your questions today. Get the free answer from Dr.InteriorSpace.